Have you ever slept for 7 to 8 hours but still look tired in the mirror the next morning? Heavy eyes, dark circles, a dull facial expression. And people are,
Didn't you sleep properly?
but you did. So why does this happen? Let's understand something important. Sleep is not just about hours, it's about the quality. Sleep hours versus sleep quality. You can sleep for 8 hours, but if your breathing is disturbed during the night, your body never truly rests. And when the body doesn't rest properly, the face shows it. Reason number 1, poor breathing during sleep. If the airway is slightly narrow, sometimes because of jaw position or a small lower jaw, breathing may not be smooth during sleep. You may not even notice it, but your body keeps waking up slightly to maintain oxygen levels. As a result, you wake up feeling tired and your face looks tired too. Reason number 2, mouth breathing. If someone breathes through the mouth at night, sleep quality reduces. Mouth breathing can dry the mouth, disturb sleep cycles, and lower oxygen efficiency. Over time, this leads to dark circles, puffy eyes, and a dull appearance. Reason number 3, jaw tension or clenching. Some people clench or grind their teeth during sleep. This keeps the jaw muscles tense all night. Even if you sleep long enough, your facial muscles never fully relax and you wake up looking exhausted. When should you check this? If you snore regularly, wake up with jaw pain, feel sleepy during the day, feel tired despite enough sleep, it may not be just a sleep problem, it may be a breathing or jaw related issue. So I want you to remember this. Looking tired even after a good sleep is not always about lack of rest. Sometimes it's about how well you breathe and how your jaw functions during sleep. Your face often reflects what's happening internally. So if this keeps happening, it's worth getting evaluated. Because good sleep is not just about hours, it's about the quality.
Subscribe for more content.